Welcome to our channel. Tell them what we eating today. Seaweed, kimchi, spicy braised beef ribs, potatoes, green onions. What's that? You know what that is?
No.
You know what that is?
Seaweed.
No, this right here. Sweet and sour sauce.
Sweet and sour sauce.
You like sweet and sour sauce?
Yeah.
You tasted it before?
What is that?
You know you like it.
From McDonald's?
No, we never had. This is not that same sweet and sour sauce. So pick it up. Pick that up. No, you want to do that with your hands. And dip it in there. Go ahead, dip it in there. And then eat it. See if you like it. No?
No.
You want to try the potato? Hmm? You already said no to the seaweed. You want to try the potato? The meat?
Yeah.
Why don't you want to do the meat with your chopstick? With you, chopstick is good for your noodles. You like it? Okay. So what you want to talk about today? This is my first time tasting kimchi, so I don't know, guys. Kind of tastes like a cucumber with a lot of vinegar. You don't like the beef?
Yeah.
You don't like nothing up here, do you? So then, what's wrong? So anyway, guys, this is our first mukbang. We're just starting. She was feigning to do it, but she don't like nothing on the table. So what you gonna eat?
Yes.
Yeah, I think you want to use your hand for that. You don't got nothing you want to say to the people?
Subscribe and like.
And
I don't know.
comment.
Comment and share.
There you go. Now she's shy. When she be on here on her game, she don't be shy. She's shy today. So what you want to talk about, Naima? I ain't going to chopsticks either. So you just want to be quiet and eat? You ready to get up? Yeah. See anything on the tray? What? You like the meat? Then eat the meat. What? Excuse you?
Excuse me.
I don't know, but I'm gonna eat.
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we have seaweed.
Something you don't like, but you've been dying to taste it for the last month. That sucks, right? When you finally taste it, you don't like it. Oops. I'm not good with the chopsticks, not yet.
And whatever this is, I don't know.
What?
What's that?
Fried wonton.
And fried wonton and meat and potatoes and kimchi.
This is braised spicy beef ribs with potatoes and green onions.
Got it.
Okay. That's okay. You can use your hand. So what you want to talk about? I think you should use your hand, because if you don't, you try to do that, it's going to just drop all over. Guys, I don't think she like nothing that's on this tray.
I do.
I got this recipe from the Korean family that do the mukbangs. I think it's Hung Sim. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, but I always watch their videos. And their mother food be looking good, so I took down the recipe. And it's not bad at all. She keep touching that seaweed, she don't like it. You know, she
I want to taste it with the meat.
I don't know the name of it. I should have wrote that down. Anyway, come on, let's see how this tastes.
What?
This right here. You don't like it. Let me see. Because I usually like fried wonton. You don't have to eat it if you don't like it. Okay, then eat it by
Where's the
itself.
meat?
That's in the middle. It's kind of hard, man. You like it? I thought she was gonna get on here and talk with me. I guess she's playing shy right now. If y'all hear that noise in the background, that's my grandbaby. She wanna eat too. She can't eat this shit. She 5 months. Hold on, Amy. Do you want to tell them about your gaming channel?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's gonna be Nana plays Roblox.
And that's it.
I'm gonna play Adopt Me and Tower of Fun and
There's another game you play too, right?
Adopt Me.
What's the other game you play?
Among Us.
Do you have a name on there?
Naima plays Among Us.
Oh, okay. We got to tell them.
Naima plays Among Us.
You good at it?
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
And All Beats.
Who you play with?
Maddie.
Who that?
My sister.
Mm. Oh, she plays it too with you?
Mm-hmm.
She good at it?
Yeah. A little bit.
Okay. Well, y'all look out for that, guys. Cause yeah, they into the game.
She's bad at all these.
They into the game, so they always begging for money for that Roblox. So I don't know nothing about it. She been dying to do this mukbang, but now she really have nothing to talk about. Well, did you taste the kimchi, Naima? You taste the kimchi? You want to taste it?
No.
You sure?
It has onions in it.
No, that's not onions. That's cabbage. This has onions. But you don't have to eat the onions.
I don't want to eat that. I only want to eat this and this.
Okay. And that's what you eat.
Eat the seaweed.
Yeah, guys. I don't know. I made a list of everything that I want to make for the mukbang, but no, I will in a minute. But don't play with the food. But if y'all would like to, y'all can leave a description, something in the comments to let me know what y'all want to see me eat. I don't know. But this is really good.
And I'm gonna play. I wanna download I wanna download Minecraft.
Oh, Minecraft? How you play that? What that's about?
I'm gonna watch people play it and then learn.
Oh, you gonna watch them play it and then learn how to play it?
Yeah.
Okay. So when we do our next mukbang, what you wanna eat?
Crab legs.
Crab legs is what?
Eggs.
Oh, so you want to do a seafood bowl?
Yeah.
Okay. First of all, do you want to do a seafood bowl? You know how to open your crabs?
Yeah. No.
By yourself? So you want me to sit here with you, do a seafood bowl, and have to open the crabs? So I got to open your crabs and I'm going to eat mine.
I'll learn.
Okay. What you want besides crabs?
Sausage.
And what else?
Eggs.
And
And
what kind of crabs you want?
the one you always get.
I get a lot of things. What? King crab, snow crab, dungeon crab.
Snow crabs.
Snow crabs,
Yeah.
dungeon crabs.
What is dungeon crab?
You like fried king crabs? The ones I fried before?
Yeah.
You like those? What you want with it? Eggs, potatoes,
Eggs.
sausage,
Sausage.
cucumbers,
Cucumbers.
corn.
Corn.
You don't even like
Ew.
corn. Okay. So we'll do that too. Excuse me. You like that? Tastes good? Okay.
I'll be back.
Okay. Anyway, she really ain't like nothing on this platter. She's gonna try to force herself to eat it. She's not really a meat eater. I'm surprised she said she liked the meat. But she been asking for seaweed for the last 3 months. Thank you, baby. And she got it, didn't even like it. What a disappointment. I felt bad for her. Like, you don't like it. But hopefully the next day, she like noodles, so the next day we eat, she'll like. She ain't slacking on that juice though. You try to put your meat in the seaweed? Probably tastes better.
You rip it.
I ripped it. How small you want it? I know we kind of boring right now. This is our first mukbang, so we'll get better as we go on.
Okay.
Bite it, taste it.
Okay.
That's better, right? Anyway,
Eat this food.
what's going on with you guys out there? What y'all eating tonight?
Mommy, eat this.
You want me to taste the seaweed?
Yeah.
Okay. But I think I need to taste it with the, you know what I'm doing? You gonna give it to me out your hand? I need to taste it. I don't know. I want to make some sushi, but I ain't really into the raw fish, so maybe crab. I'll do crab meat or something.
It's thick and
I don't know.
Tastes good. With what?
Gotta eat it with something.
I'm tasting it odd.
She don't like it.
See? See?
Yeah. You don't have to eat it if you don't like it.
Eat it.
I already tasted it.
With the meat?
You know, but I cooked this beef for a minute until the bone fell off.
It's good.
And it's tender, but still it takes a minute to go down. Right? Yeah. It was good to eat it. I think I made too much. Now I gotta talk my other kids into eating it. I made too much. You want to dip that in there? We're not going to eat this. You're just playing with. Don't play with the food.
Yeah.
Child, she don't want nothing on this platter. She don't want nothing on there. And I'm a very slow eater, and I don't eat much.
Why is it crunchy? Why is it so crunchy?
I know our video today is not the best, but we're gonna get there. So Naima,
Huh?
so far how you like doing your school at home?
Not that much.
What?
It's boring.
Why it's boring? You rather go into the school building?
No.
Yeah, what's wrong?
Sit here.
Then you said it's boring here?
No, it's boring. At both.
What do you mean it's boring at both?
It's boring at school and it's boring here at school.
Why it's boring?
Cause
As what? You don't have fun? You don't like the way you get online with your classmates?
I be sleepy.
Why you be sleepy?
Cause I don't go to sleep.
You don't go to sleep on time? Then what you think you need to do?
Go to sleep.
On time. So when you get up, you're up, energized, and ready to work. I know sometimes you gotta have fun with your class, right? You like the teacher?
Yeah.
You like the kids in your class?
Yeah.
So what you gonna do for these 2 weeks that you out of school?
2 weeks.
2 long weeks. What you gonna do?
Play and act. Can I go to my cousin's house?
Okay. Well, that's a start. But since you're not helping me eat, and I'm getting full, we're gonna wrap this video up.
Comment, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.
Okay, thanks. Later, guys.